त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पता न शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमो नित्यं भद्रकाल्ये नमो नमः। वेदान्त विद्यास्थानेभ्यैव च सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुते स्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषम् पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिं। व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः। अचतुर्वदनो ब्रह्मा द्विबाहुरपरो हरिः अभाललोचनः शम्भुः भगवान् बादरायणः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We'll read from 85th. अनुकृतेस्त्स्य च अपि च स्मर्यते शब्दादेव प्रमितः हृद्यपेक्षया तु मनुष्याधिकारत्वात् तद् उपर्यपि बादरायणः सम्भवा। विरोधः कर्मणीति चेन्नानेक प्रतिपत्तेर्दर्शनात् शब्द इति चेन्नातः प्रभवात् प्रत्यक्षानुमानाभ्याम् अतएव च नित्यत्वम् समान नाम रूपत्वाच्च वृत्तावाप्य विरोधः दर्शनात् स्मृतेश्च मद्वादिष्वा संभवात्। अनधिकारं जैमिनिः मध्वादिश्वसंभवा अनधिकारं जैमिनिः. Is read page 1039 second paragraph. इह देवादीनाम् अपि ब्रह्मविद्यायामस्ति अधिकारः इति यत् प्रतिज्ञातम् तत् पर्यावर्त्यते देवादीनाम् अनधिकारं जैमिनिः आचार्यो मन्यते कस्मात् मध्वादिषु असंभवात् ब्रह्मविद्यायाम् अधिकाराभ्युपगमे हि विद्यात्व अविशेषान् मध्वादि विद्यासु अपि अधिकारोऽभ्युपगम्येत न चैवं संभवति कथम् असौ वादित्यो देवमधु इत्यत्र मनुष्यादित्यम् मधु अध्यासेन्योपासीरन् देवादिषु हि उपासकेषु अभ्युपगम्यमानेषु आदित्यः कमन्यम् आदित्यमुपासीत पुनः च आदित्यव्यपाश्रयाणि पंच रोहितादीनि अमृतानि उपक्रम्य वसवो रुद्रादित्या मरुतः साध्याश्च पंचदेवगणाः क्रमेण तत्तत् अमृतम् उपजीवन्ति इति उपदिश्य स य एतद् एवममृतं वेद वसूनामेवैको भूत्वा अग्निर्नैव मुखेन एतदेवमृतं दृष्ट्वा तृप्यति इत्यादिना वसुवादी उपजीव्यानि अमृतानि विजानताम् वसुवादी महिं प्राप्तिं दर्शयति वसुवादयस्तु कान्यन्यायवस्वादीन् अमृतोपजीविनः विजानीयुः कं वान्यं वस्वादि महिमानं प्रेप्सेयुः तथाग्निपादो वायुः पादः आदित्यः पादो दिशः पादः वायुर्वावसंवर्गः आदित्यो ब्रह्मेत्यादेशः इत्यादिषु देवतात्मोपासनेषु देवतात्मोपासनेषु न तेषामेव देवतात्मनाम् अधिकारः संभवति तथा इमावेव गौतम भरद्वाजावयमेव गौतमोऽयं भरद्वाजः इत्यादिषु अपि ऋषिसम्बन्धेषु उपासनेषु न तेषामेव ऋषीणामधिकारः संभवति So you remember yesterday we had seen around 5 reasons or 5 praman to prove that in the pralaya or after the pralaya the same srishti is created as it was in the previous pralaya. So something which is before at X time and in between it is not seen, and at Y time again it is seen. That means between an X and Y time it was existing. Something was seen at X time. After that it is not seen. Then again it was seen in Y time. That means in between it was existing. But we did not know it was in unmanifest state. Okay. So when Brahmacharya was there, so he disappeared from the center. So he used to go to take Ganga Snan. So now when he disappeared, so they thought what happened? He took Ganga Snan, he drowned or what happened? So in Gangaji they employed divers to find out whether he drowned or what. He didn't know where he got. Totally disappeared. They could not get him as a body also. Nothing could be got. I'm not getting the center. So after 4 or 5 months, Guruji's Uttarkashi camp, he appeared. Then Guruji said, "Why? You have this vidya, what? You disappeared and you appear all of a sudden." So this is called Avirbhav and Tirobhav. That means in between he was alive. So if the same Srishti was there and after Pralaya also the same Srishti comes up, that means during Pralaya also the same Srishti must be existing in unmanifest form. You saw that. we had given around 5 reasons. One reason was Shruti Pramana. Second reason was Smriti Pramana. Then third reason was Yukti Pramana. Fourth reason was the unmanifest Sushupti Pramana. And the fifth reason was Anubhuti Pramana. Fourth reason was that Shakti doesn't die actually. Non-destructibility of the power. And fifth reason was the Sushupti Pramana. And the Pramana that the very evolved jivas do remember the last kalpa also, like Brahmaji, etc. So I had already taken time on this sutra. I will conclude this. Let us go to word analysis and let us complete that. So word analysis is Saman Nam Rupatvat Cha Avrtau Api. See, there are two readings. One is Vrtau, other is Avrtau. In some books it is Avrtau, in this book it is Vrtau. So Avrtau, Vrtau, you can both understand. Same meaning is there. So you supply the word Shabde. Shabde is borrowed from the last sutra. So what is the first portion now? Shabde avirodha. Shabde means? Shabde means? Shabde means Ved Pramane. There, with regard to validity of Vedas, there is no contradiction. With regard to validity of Vedas, there is no contradiction. In the last sutra, Shabde word is coming, so we drag it from the last to this sutra. And next word is Avrtau Api. Avrta means Avrtau Api. Both readings are there. Even in the next cycle of creation. Api means there is no contradiction with the next creation. Even with the next cycle of creation. Then what happens? What happens? Saman Rupa, Samana Nama Rupatvat. Because the sense of object of creation belong to same universal. Saman Nam Rupatvat means name and form are the same as the last creation. Belong to the same universal. The species are same. Then one word comes Darshanat. Darshanat as Pratyaksh word means Shruti. Darshanat here means as supported by Shruti or the Vedas. Shruti Pramana. Why darshan has been mentioned as Shruti Pramana? Because darshan is independent. Like Shruti is independent Pramana, so darshan is Shruti Pramana. And then it is written here as Smriti Hecha. Smriti means here Mahabharat. Good. Smriti Mahabharat. We had seen Yatha Abhimaninaha. So this is the meaning. Okay. Now what is the final meaning of the sutra? There is no contradiction with regard to validity of Vedas in the next cycle of creation. There is no contradiction with regard to validity of the Vedas in the next cycle of creation. Also, why? Because the individual name and form belong to same individual. The same species again appear. Individual name and form belong to same individual as supported by Shruti and Smriti. Okay. There is no contradiction with regard to validity of Vedas in the next cycle of creation also, since the individual name and form belong to same individual. That means the species name and form is maintained. How do you know? As supported by Shruti and Smriti. So what is the final thing? Hence, word and its meaning. Shabd and Arth are Nitya. And their Sambandh is Nitya. And therefore, Devatas can have body and they can study. Actually, interesting point is that point is left to that. Other points came up. Through this point of Devatas, they are trying to bring many other points. That was just a bahana, a vyaj, excuse to bring out Ved Nityatvam and Ved Pramanyam. It was an excuse to bring out the validity of the Vedas, eternity of the Vedas, and that the same cycle is maintained, to tell about creation, to tell about dissolution. So this is the conclusion of this particular sutra. Not the Adhikara. Adhikaran is remaining now. So what is there in next Adhikaran? Same Adhikaran. Please see. Next 31st sutra. What happened? Huh? Next sutra is page next 31. Here in this 31st, which already we read. See, I'm going now straight away. Madhvadishu asambhavat anadhikaram jaimini. What is said here? Another Purupaksh comes here. He is giving you another reason to tell why Devata should not have body. And now another thing will be established by the example of this. So Vedanta want to establish Devatas. They don't want to establish Devata's body. So now different reasons were given. If you remember in Sutra number 27, Karma Virodha was refuted. And 28, 29, 30, Ved Brahmana Virodha was refuted. In Karma Virodha, understand? He said if the Devatas are doing the action, who will take that? This was called Karma Virodha. And 27, 28, 29, 30, Ved Brahmana Virodha. They say no, Ved will become a Brahmanic Devata, will die away. Then the word Indra will be there without the meaning Indra. So that was refuted that no, the meaning of the Indra word will always be there. This was the next. Now, another problem they brought up. They say that Devatas are not qualified for Karmakand. Why? That I already told you. That offering oblations to Devatas are in the receiving end and Manushya are in the giving end. So if Devatas are offering, how can they, if Devatas being Karta, how can they be offered? This was the Purvamamsa argument. And therefore, Devatas cannot do Upasana also. And in Vedanta, but I told you one thing, that they cannot do Karma Kand, but they can read Vedanta. At least Vedanta Karma Kand is not there. In Vedanta, Karma Kand is not there. He said, Acha, but this is not right. If you remember in Taittiriya Upanishad, first is called Sikshavalli, Bhraguvalli. Lot of upasanas are there. Braharanyak, lot of upasana is there. Full of upasana is there in certain Upanishads. So, if they cannot, because whole Shastra is a whole unit, if they cannot do the Karma Kand and Vedanta is coming in between, then they can't study Vedanta. Because in the Vedanta only Karma Kand is coming, Upasana portion is coming. So they cannot, because it is full of Upasana and Devata cannot do Upasana, and therefore they are not Adhikari also. And these two sutras, which two? 31st and 32nd are only Purupaksh only. So the answer will be given in 33rd only. So So 2 sutras are Purva Paksh only. So he gives one upasana. See, it is called Madhu Vidya. Madhu Vidya comes in Chandogya Upanishad 3.1.1. What is Madhu Vidya? Let's see. See here. Asauva Adityo Deva Madhu. You saw that? Last line, underline there. Asauva Adityo Deva Madhu. So he says, meditate on Aditya Devata as source of happiness for Devatas. Meditate as Aditya. You got why they are saying that Devatas can't understand Vedanta. He says Upasana they cannot do. Because to do Upasana, the one who is doing Upasana should be different than whose Upasana is there. If you are doing Surya Upasana, at least Surya should not do his own Upasana. Or Vayu Upasana, Chandra Upasana, they should not do their own Upasana. And this Vedanta or the Upanishads like Chandogya, Brihadaranyaka, they are full of Upasanas. In between Vedanta is also there. You cannot take a part, then why are you taking another part? Well, I don't want to see his face. That means you should not see his whole body then. You can't say that I don't want to see his face but hand. No, if you don't see his face, then you cannot see his hand also. You can't say, no, I don't want his face but I want his hand. You cannot have that. They are all in one unit. You can't have one part and can't reject one part. If you don't want to see his face, then you cannot see his hand also. You can't say, no, give me hand, not the face. You can't get this point. You have to get whole thing. Either you don't get whole thing, either you get whole thing. You can't take one part of that. Okay? Not clear. This is with truth every person also. Every person also. Nobody can be good in all aspect. And nobody can be bad in all aspect. You have to accept the whole person. Only no, I want only the good. You should do only good for him. No. You have to have the whole body. You can't say no, only good nature you would express, not his worst nature. No. I want his good nature. No. If you want his good nature, his not so good nature also you have to accept. No, but I want this good is not possible. He is a mixture. You can't get only one aspect of a person. You have to get both aspects and you have to accept the person. You can't say only I will get the best and he should not show his worst part. Only he should give me his best part. How you do it? Why you have to live with both aspects of every person? Anyway, so here he is saying, who? Purva Paksh is saying that Upasana of Devatas cannot be done by Devatas. A Karma Kand cannot be done. Indra can't sit here in our Gayatri Havan area and on that tin Havan Kund he can do Karma Upasana because he himself we are offering the oblations to Indra only. I am saying Chandogya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, many Upanishad in between they tell about Upasana. Yes, they have Brahma Vidya. If you are refuting they cannot do Upasana, that means they should not have the knowledge of Brahma also. And there he quotes this Upanishad, which I told you. This is from the Chandogya 3.1.1. What is that? Asauva Adityo Deva Madhu. Here Madhu means source of happiness. Sukh hetuhu. Sukh hetuhu Madhu. What is that now? So meditate upon Surya Bhagwan as a source of happiness. This is one type of Upasana given by Vedvyas Bhagwan in Sutra Madhvadishu. So his inference, his means Purva-Paksh, that Brahma Vidya is not Devata Vishaya. So why? Because Brahma Vidya na devata vishaya vidyatvat madhu vidyavat. Because it is also Vidya. Because it is coming in the same place. It is coming in the same place. Achha? Now Devata cannot resort to Madhu Vidya. They cannot resort to Brahma Vidya also. This is the Purva Paksha raised by whom? Whom? Jaimini. Jaimini. So entire sutra is Purva Paksha. Okay, so Madhvadishu asambhavat anidikaram Jaimini. So this is the meaning here. Is it clear now? Not clear. So iha devadinam api brahma vidyayam asti adhikara iti pratigyatam tat paryavartate. Paryavartam means refuted. Devadinam anadhikaram Jaimani acharyo manyate kasmat madhvadishu asambhavat brahma vidyayam adhikara abhyupagamehi vidyatva avisheshan madhvadi vidyasu api adhikaro abhyupagamyeta na chaivam sambhavati. So, because doing upasana only they can have knowledge of the Brahman and they cannot do upasana, therefore they should not have the Brahma Vidya. This is the point of the Devata, the point of the Purva Paksha called Purmimamsa, represented by Jaimini, not Germany, Jaimini. Jaimini. So, ityatra manushyaha adityam madhu adhyasenopasiran. Okay. So, this is the simple meaning. So, they cannot do upasana. I'll tell you one example. So, the Brahmachari course, we have interviews like you had interviewed. I told you also. So, from Bengal, 2 bright students were. They said, all was interview was over. They said, I'm ready to come. Then while going, they said, in the ashram, can we have fish or not? Because in Bengal, fish is the staple diet. And in the childhood, we have been eating fish. He said, ashram, you cannot have fish at all. It is a non-veg. Then we won't study. So their study became fishy. They said, no, he won't come. They didn't join the course. Just because of the fish. How one sense organ loots away your big opportunity. Imagine that. How Abhiman, one weakness of a person, deprives him of the whole life's truth. One weakness. They say, I have only one weakness. No, it will finish you. It will finish you in time. Just wait for the time. It will totally crush you. It will give you new birth. It will make you animal, plant. One weakness. Don't say, I don't have any weakness. You work on that. They did not join. So they had to leave the whole thing because of one small aspect. Whole thing. ऐसे ही हो जाता है. So sometimes a person leaves the big for the small. Sometimes he leaves small for the big. Leaving small for the big is called sacrifice. Leaving big for the small is compromise. So here they say no, because you are leaving, because the Brahma Vidya is included along with the Upasana Vidya. They are tagged together. They are tagged together. So if the Brahma Upasana Vidya they are not understanding, then how can the Brahma Vidya be heard by the Devatas? And therefore, they should not be hearing the Brahma Vidya. Okay, so this is the general meaning of the sutra. Now we will see the word analysis, word meaning. Let us write now the word. See the word Madhvadishu. Adishu means other upasana. Vayu upasana is there. Surya upasana is there. Agni upasana is there. Varun upasana is there. Adishu means other upasana. And maybe the upasana of Prithvi upasana is there. Prithvi sukta is there. Vayu, Panchma, Navagraha suktas are there. So Madhvadishu Asambhavad Anadhikaram Jaimini. 4 words are there. Now you supply Devanam Anadhikaram Vadati. You have to supply 3 words. Devanam Anadhikaram Vadati. So, how will the word go? One sentence is Jaiminihi Devanam Anadhikaram Vadati. Jaiminihi Devanam Anadhikaram Vadati means, bolo, means, Jaimini says, talks about the disqualification or non-eligibility of the Devatas. Jaimini talks about the non-eligibility of the Vedas in Brahma Vidya. Jaimini talks about the non-eligibility of the Devatas in Brahma Vidya. What is the reason? Asambhavat. Asambhavat means what? Because of their incapability with regard to Madhu Vidya. Madhvadishu means with regard to. With regard to. Vishaya Saptami is there. Suryopasana. Madhu Vidya is Suryopasana. Madhu Vidya. Why? Because object and subject of meditation cannot be same. Right? Surya Upasana cannot be done by Surya. Because Upasana is always with Bhed Buddhi. And interestingly, Ved Vyas Bhagwan took the Upasana mentioned from Upanishad. Therefore, Madhu Upanishad, Madhu Dev, this is from the brother, not from Karmkandi brought. To show that this occurs in this. This is the one reason why they say they cannot do upasanas. Because upasana can be done by some upasak who is different than upasana. Surya Upasana cannot be done by Surya. Agni Upasana cannot be done by Agni. Chandra Upasana cannot be done by Chandra, etc., etc. Okay, great. This is one Purpaksh. Simple Purpaksh is there, but we'll see what is the answer. Answer has yet to come. This is not the answer. Answer is yet to come. Don't be happy, answer I got. Hari, we have not given the answer. We have not given the answer. Where you got the answer? Answer has yet to come. When? Wait. When 33rd Sutra answer will come, till then you remain quiet. Then next is 32nd Sutra is, let us see what is there. Please repeat after me. Let us see if we can see the answer today or we'll see it tomorrow. Please repeat. Jyotishi Bhavacha. This is page 341. Jyotishi Bhavacha. So he has given another answer, another Purpaksh, another argument. This is the 4th argument. One argument was in 27th. Karma Virodh, then Ved Pramana Virodh, and this is Upasana Brahma Vidya Virodh, and he is giving now another argument. Let us read now. Kutascha Devadinam Anadhikaraha Yadidam Jyotirmandalam Divsthanam Ahoratrabhyam Bambra Brahmajagad Avabhasyati Tasminnadityadayah Devata Vachanaha Shabdaha Prayujyante Loka Prasiddhir Vakya Shesha Prasiddhescha Loka Prasiddhe Vakya Shesha Prasiddhescha Na cha Jyotirmandalasya Hridayadina Vigrahena Chetanataya Arthitvadina Va Yogo Vagamtum Shakyate Mridadivat Achetanatva Avagamat Etena Agnyadayo Vyakhyatāha Syadetat Mantrarthavad Itihasa Purana Lokebhyah Devadinam Vigrahavattvadi Avagamadayam Adoshaha Iti Na iti uchyate Nahi taval loko nama Kinchit swatantram pramanamasti Pratyakshadibhya eva Hi avicharita visheshebhyah Pramanebhyah Prasiddhyanartha Lokat prasidhyati iti uchyate Na cha atra Pratyakshadinam Anyatamam pramanamasti Itihasa puranamapi Paurusheyatvad Pramanantara Mulatama Kanshati Pramanantara Mulatam Akankshati Arthvada api Vidhina ekavakyatvat Stutyarthaha santah Na parthagarthena Devadinam vigradi Sadbhave karanabhavam Pratipadyante Mantra api Shrutyadi Viniyuktaha Prayoga samavayinaha Abhidhanartha Na kasyachidartham sorry, na kasyachidharthasya pramanamityachakshate tasmad abhavo devadinam adhikarasya. So here he gives another reason. Who? Purmimansa. He says, very funny argument. He says that this Aditya Devata, what you say, it is only inert sun. Symbolized as Devata. There is no Devata, Surya Devata, what you say. It is the inert source of energy, like the science says. There is no different Devata, what you call it. So Devatas are only symbolic and not actual. This worldly person will be very happy to hear this. They will be very glad to hear that such is. They think only they. Somebody was trying. I said, what you are saying, already we discuss a lot. So don't think that this, what you are giving now is a new one. We break our head in all this already. So all the devatas are the luminaries in the sky. Luminaries, Jyotish, visible sun is there. There is no soul more. There is one ball of fire is there, big ball of fire. That is called sun. So there is a planet. The planet Earth is there. There is no Prithvi Devata. Here you are all superstitious people. Prithvi Devata, where is it? But one ball is there and by gravity it is moving. But a gravitational force, centrifugal force is there, centrifugal force is there. So there are two forces are there. One force is of the sun. The sun is there. And one is their own force. The combination of two forces is there. Therefore it is moving in its orbit. Everything is proved geographically. You people bring everywhere Devata, this, that. Make simple thing complicated. I don't think so such Devatas exist. Agni Devata, Vayu Devata, Surya Devata, har jagah Devata le rakhar hai. You start doing puja, part, akshat, roli, chandan, you start putting everywhere. So, I don't think so such Devatas exist. Yes, Sun Devata, separately Sun Devata is existing. Purpaksh is going on. And because they are unqualified for Upasana Vidya, and therefore, I don't think so. They are living beings. Some living beings are existing. Then what about the Shastra says? You believe in Shastra? I believe in it. But in the Shastra, Surya Devata is mentioned. They are Arthavada. Arthavada means exaggeration. It is not really something. It is a praise. It is more they are. Tell me, they are Achetan Vastu Achetan. When you see the sun, is it a Chetan thing or Achetan? Achetan. If that is Achetan, inert, then how can they have knowledge, etc.? How can they have inert thing have knowledge? I can't understand this part. How can the Sun Devata go to any Guru? The Guru will get burnt. How can you do Namaskar? Who? Sun Devata. How can Sun Devata do Namaskar? I can't understand all these things. I can't understand these things what you are talking about. I cannot understand that. Somebody was asking one day, so the Hanumanji is there. He's called Pavan Sut. He is a Pavan Sut. So how can he be son of Pavan, son of Shivji, son of Kesari, Anjani Putra Pavan Sut Nama, Kesari Nandan? He is the son of Kesari also. He is the son of Vayu also. He is son of Shivji also. How is it possible now? They say like that. I have all the answers. Shall I give or leave it? Leave it. About that I will leave it. How he is the son of three fathers. I give the answer. I think I must have given. Not given. When Ramavatar was taking place, Shivji thought that I should come. This comes in Shiv Puran. That I should take avatar to serve Bhagwan Ram. So he thought if I take avatar as a human being, so I will not be able to do all sevas. Ramji cannot sit on any human being as he sat on the shoulder of Hanumanji. Then he started thinking, let me become monkey now. Monkey. There was one Apsara, and that Apsara's name was Punjikastha. And she laughed on somebody because she was too beautiful. So that Rishi cursed her to become monkey. So she became Anjani. And she was living in Kishkinda, Anjani. And her husband was Kesari. Kesari was her husband. Okay. Now Vayu Devata, again Vayu Devata is coming. Vayu Devata touched her, like Vayu touches us. But he touched her. He touched her. And in that portion, he transferred the seed of Shivji in Anjani. And therefore, Hanumanji could have Anjani Putra, Pavansut, Kesari Nandan, Shankar Suva. Now how those devatas are there? The problem is this. So they say this is Achetan Vastu. Then you will hear that Hanumanji went to Surya Devata to study. So Guru of Hanumanji was Surya Devata. Guru of Hanumanji here is Surya Devata. And Surya Devata had two children. Who? Who was the two? Karna. Yam and Yamuna. Yamraj. And Yamuna river. ये बड़ा आता है. So those who बोले, how can you say river is there, he is born, Gangaji is born? I have already told about that portion, that any adibhut, anything which a body should be held by something which is Chetan. This principle they don't understand. Any body will get scattered, splintered, if it is not held by some kind of Chetan entity. Like your body is there. Unless there is a Chetan Jeev holding this body will be gone. Similarly, if sun body is held, body means that external form which you see is the body of sun. So there is a Jeev called sun or Ishwar called sun, which is holder of that sun. Only point which is not so easy is that Jeev or that very evolved Ishwar like God-like Jeev is there. That has the power to take a form and he can come in front of you. There is a Siddhi in the Devatas that Indra can come in front of you, Vayu can come in front of you, Agni can come in front of you. So when you do Aarti, when you take the Aarti, it is not that you are taking the heat. There is Agni Devata sitting in that particular Agni, and in that Agni you are seeking the blessings of that Agni Devata. That is called Agni Upasana. Therefore, when you light the lamp, you are the Sakshi. Agni is the Sakshi now. So you are propitiating the Agni Devata and not the external elemental Agni. Like, supposing I put chandan on you, or I offer you a flower, or I give you a shawl. Shawl is not given to the body. Shawl is given to the embodied who is expressing through the body. Shawl is given, when I say, see, I'm not seeing you, I'm not seeing the Jeev. Jeev is not seen. the Jeev is expressing through the body. So Jeev, I can't see exactly the Jeev in you. Jeev is not an element that can be seen by. But I can infer that Jeev is there in you. Because you are breathing. Or because I am talking. Okay. So anything, they don't get this to this point. And not going to this point, they miss this point. They said that sun is not a sun. It is not a devata. It's just big mass of fire only. Vayu is also, we say Vayu is a devata. Very big devata is Vayu. Imagine the length and breadth of the Vayu devata. Imagine the breadth and length of the sun dev. Imagine how big is the ocean. Bhagwan Ram is going and ocean comes. Ocean. Understand? Ocean. The Samudra Devata, Bhagwan Ram is trying to cross and he didn't allow. So ocean, Bhagwan Ram showed his anger. He threw one arrow in the ocean. Now ocean Devata comes with gifts in the hand. You heard in Valmiki Ramayana, if you remember that. So there is a Devata of the ocean. There is a Adhishtatra of that particular. Any bhav has a physical form also. Like Mrityu, that also comes as one Devata. So there is, Vayu is there, that is also one Devata is there. Similarly, when you do Graha Pravesh, you do Vastu Puja. So Vastu is also one Devata. There is one Vastu Purush. There is one Devata of the whole place. One Devata is there of the whole place. And that Devata, it is his priority, his prerogative or priority. That he can allow somebody to come and he may not allow somebody to come in the same place. So this is the Devata is there. They're unseen, but they can express if required. But they are still, like I cannot see the Jeev in you. I can see your body, and body is not Jeev. Because Jeev will leave the body. And nobody has seen the Jeev is there. See, Jeev is going now. Nobody sees. But Jeev is there. Jeev is different than the body. So there is a big area of Devatas. Very big control is there of them. And they are inside your body also. And they create havoc if they are unhappy about it. Diseases are nothing. Some Devata is unhappy. Unhappy Devata. And all Devatas cannot be happy. Some will be unhappy. So they will create some kind of problem. Some eye problem will be there. Lungs problem will be there. The problem in the walking is there. So there is a very big area, big power there. If sun is not happy, then you will have lot of eyes problem. Buddhi dosh will be there. If Agni is not good, your speech will not be very good. Because Agni is the Devata of the speech. Shukra is there. Shukra. Shukra, understand? No. Shukra. Shukra, don't understand. What is it called? Venus. Venus is there. It is the Devata of beauty. Delicate. Beauty. Smartness. If that is not happy, then your beauty will not be there. Only I think that is not. If Guru is not happy, then intellect will be blunt. Intellect will not be that subtle. So you cannot study for a long time. Even though if you see these laborers, etc., they cannot study. Even if you give them a school, they'll struggle and they cannot study so easily. Because that Devata is not happy with them. And even if they study, they'll take a lot of time to understand small things. Unfortunately, that quickness won't be there. Few will be there. That brilliancy is not there. Sharpness is not there. Memory is not there. Catching power is not there. Sushant teaches, in some college. Where he teaches some. No, in Johannesburg also he teaches. Somewhere he teaches finance or something is there. So students are mostly blacks there. I said, what is your experience? He said, I get totally frustrated. You don't understand. It's difficult to teach. Even Stanley also will tell the same thing. Brahaspati is weak. Guru is weak. Faith will not be there. And if it is very strong, you will be brilliant. You will be outstanding. Those who are research scholars are there. University people are there. Scientists are there. Doctors are there. Engineers are there. CAs are there. Top people who are there. Universities. From the face you can make it out his guru is good. In secular knowledge. And in spiritual knowledge, guru is extremely important. Because he has to give me the knowledge. So devatas have all around performance. They can avoid somebody meeting you. They can facilitate somebody's meeting with you. So this Sarp is also one devata. Snake is a big devata. Snake. This Sachin Tendulkar, when he was out of form. So there is a place in India called Kukke Subramanyam in Karnataka. I also went. Last time also we went. This is the second time. So there you go. You know what they do? Don't know. So there you go. They will tell that in your family somebody has killed a snake. So there some fault is upon you and then you have to rectify it. You offer this big silver snake, silver nag. Here also when we did Bhumi Pujan, so nag was offered, silver nag was offered. If you remember. You must be remembering silver nag, golden. Even the temple also. Temple where the murti is there, under that also all these things are put. Because when you are digging all these things, their place may be disturbed. It was their place. They had holes and all these things. And when construction happened, these workers really killed them many times. So it curses them. So we do puja of that. Therefore Nag Panchami is there. Because people were working in the fields earlier. So much construction was not there. Mainly in the field, crops. And their houses was all in the field. Cottage houses were there. So they had to live with the total harmony with all these animals, etc. And therefore that devata was pleased, Nag devata. In the temple also, this Shivling had Nag. This Shiv got it. Shiv got it made. Earlier Nag was not there. On the Shivling, what silver Nag is there, he got it made. So we have that Nag devata. So that puja was our traditions was. It was our tradition to do puja because we are taking from Vayu, taking from Jal Agnis. Jal. Jal is also devata. If it is not happy, it will drown you. Or it can make you, without the water person dies because that devata ran away from it. I have seen in the hospitals. Hospitals, drip was there. And they said, don't give any water to the patient. Patient is there. So he was on drip. So he cannot take water from the mouth. Everything was through drip. And that person was asking for water. And immediately I got this point that he has not given lot of water to people. He has not served water to people. Therefore, water Devta is not happy on him. Jal Devta is not happy on him. Lot of things are there. Food is there. Don't think food is that. Food Devta, Anna is also Devta. If not happy, it will run away from you. If it is very happy, we will be surrounded by a lot of food. So all around this, they are playing everything. They can enter into your mind and make you forget. They can enter into your mind and make you remember something. They are acting in very strong manner, in invisibility. And those who have this, I give you the example of Shakuntala Devi one day, but the mathematician. I don't know you saw that. She had that Devta of mathematics in her. And she really bewildered all the Oxford and biggest universities. With a 13-digit number, 13-digit numbers she is multiplying. No computer, no calculator. From left, and when they said, okay, please tell what is the number. You know what she says? Shall I tell from right to left or left to right? Within 20 seconds. Even computer was slow in front of her. I said, hey, it's not an accident. They have done something. I always say unseen world is very powerful than the seen world. You cannot prove by logic that thing. He created a wave everywhere. All the mathematicians of biggest universities were flabbergasted. How can she do like that? But you can see her videos where she's tested. So now they made a film on her. Vidya Balan has acted. Similarly, Ramanujam was there, Ramanujam. One great mathematician of India, from South India. Great mathematician. They said Devi used to come and tell the solutions. Got it, my point. But there is a very big area is there. So Satyajit was there, Satyajit. Surya Bhagwan gave him money. You know, this Draupadi got Akshay Patra. Draupadi got Akshay Patra, remember that? That was given by Surya Devta. Yudhishthira did Surya Upasana. This comes in Mahabharata. And after Surya Upasana, he said, how will I welcome my guest who come? I have nothing to cook here. Even if you cook something, only 3-4 people can eat. And many rishis will come to see me, Yudhishthira said. I was reading in Mahabharata. So he did Upasana, one praise of Lord's son he did. Sun Devta came and gave him one vessel. He said, until Draupadi eats, this will keep on giving food. If she eats, then you will have no food. Then after that, close. That was called Akshay Patra. Based on that, I think who ISKCON started Akshay Patra, feeding his king. So don't get surprised when you hear all these stories. A very, very big role they have. Very, very big role. And when you trouble somebody, supposing, so that person may be innocent. He doesn't know anything. But that Devtas are not innocent. They will curse. You beat the cow. Or you beat the even, donkey. Donkey has Shitla Devi in it. So that will curse the person who is doing that. We say, no, you are innocent, he didn't understand. But don't be too smart. He has also Devta. That will also curse you. And if you please somebody, so that Devtas who are sitting in there, that will please you. That will bless you. Are you following what I am saying? So these are the various aspects. They said nothing. But the logic is, anything is held, so that has to be held by some conscious factor. This is logic. Vedvyas won't give this logic because he says you understand that. You are a student of Brahma Sutra. Like your body is held, like house is held by householder. So householder is a conscious entity. If householder is not there, all house will be disintegrated. If you keep the car and there is no car holder, so car will be disintegrated. Somebody will take the windows, somebody will take the recorder, somebody will take the tire. If the car is left outside, or even if it is left for years, it will start always keep the car going on. Even if you have kept the car, keep on driving once in a while. This is what you are saying, no? The car is kept. So she says, okay, keep on driving. So that Dr. Vishal, he drives. So once in 1 month or 2 months, they take the car here and there. Otherwise, engine will go bad. I don't know what is the dynamics of that. It has to be opened, wiped. Something has to be done. Then the car will be there. Otherwise, it will disintegrate. Conscious entity should be there. Many ashrams were there. Nobody lived. Slowly, whole ashram totally got disrupted. The roof fell down. Electricity was stolen away by somebody. Bulbs were taken away. The doors were stolen. The termite came and ate everything. Ultimately, after 10 years, 20 years, when they came, nothing was there in the ashram. And land was also occupied by somebody else. They put boundary wall and put their nameplate. And got approved by the government by giving some money, etc. He said, there is nobody's. Now, therefore, somebody has to be there on the spot. This is a rule. So, if there is something, matter is there, if you want to hold it, there has to be conscious holder sitting there. Therefore, big sun is there. If sun is held by 6 billion years, there has to be sun devta. And therefore, when you hear in Puranas the story, sun came, moon came, they can take a form and come. They have the power. Siddhi is there. Or we will see. Time is over. Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.